Hello, I'm going to show you how to make a text editor such as this. So, let's show you. Okay, so you see here it says enter text. So, now let's say we want, let's do 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then it writes that. It's a bit pixelated for some reason. Then the next line we could do rocket ships are cool. It breaks that. So yeah. Okay, so let's show you how to do this. So we can start off by deleting the cat. Okay. So first thing we need to do is to make some blocks. And if you don't know what this is, you go on Scratch 2.0 and onwards, you go to more blocks, make a block, and then this window pops up and you can type in whatever you want here. So we want to make a text editor, so let's do write. Okay, that. Now you see here in options you can go down and there's different options, and we want to choose add string input, and let's call this text. So now you see this comes here and we have a block, and what it's going to do is that we can write whatever you want to write here, like that, if you want to write that, in here, and then it'll write it on the stage. Oh, whoopsies. So I did this in the stage instead of a sprite. We're going to have to paint a sprite. So, like not paint, but make. Okay, so now we have to make it here. I'll do this real quick. Okay. So first we need to do many costumes. So here you can choose whatever font you want. I'll just do Helvetica. So first we just need to put a space in here. Okay. Well, I don't think it'll actually do anything. So we just leave this blank. Now here we have to make costumes for the ABC, and this is important. You have to name them the letters they are, or else it won't work. So here you can choose whatever color you want. I'm just gonna go with a normal black, and so here we do A. Okay. And now you don't want to make a new costume. You want to actually control click that, and then you something happened. Okay, yeah. So then click duplicate, and the reason we do this is so that the letters are in the same place. Okay. So this might be boring for you. So okay. So this part is a little bit boring. So we're going to just have space and A to E. And when you make yours, you can make it full letters, but I don't want to bore you through the whole video that you leave. Yeah, so we have to do, okay, yeah, so under write text, the first thing do is we want to do repeat and then go to operators, and you see down here there's a length of. So there's length of, and right now it's world. We want to take this text string from here and does that. So what's however long it is here. So it repeats the amount of characters that it's in there. So yeah. Length of text. So now let's work outside. So now we want to do make a variable and call it place. Okay, so we can uncheck this so that it doesn't come up on the screen there. We do repeat length of text. Oh yeah, so before that we have to do set place to 1. And the place, it'll know which letter it is. So we also want it to hide. We don't want the letter to show. Okay, yeah. So we're going to do switch to costume. And this is why it's important to name them, right? We have to do letter, and then we do place, so not letter 1, of, take another one from here, text. So you see, so if the letter place, so if the letter it's onto is, and let's say an A, then it'll switch to costume A. And because we've named a costume A, then it'll actually switch to that costume, which is why it's important to name them. And also so that you can tell. You can look at how they look. So, and then we want to change place by 1. And then we want to stamp. So, let's try this out. Let's say, one more thing. So let's right click this and click edit. And now we want to tell it where to write it. So we'll do make an at and then X position, and then we see you want to add a number input so that it can only be a number. Here it can be any text and a string input, but in a number input it has to be a number. So okay, now text is just part of the block. XX and Y won't do Y. Okay, and now we just, pretty simple, we just put a go to XX and Y. So now let's say we're green flag clicked, right? Oh, I don't have enough letters. Okay, so it won't be cab. I can make cab. Okay, right? Cab at X 0. Okay, Y negative 100. So now when we click the green flag, oh, that is very important. Something that I forgot. You see how it's writing? See this thing? It's because it was writing it on top of each other. We need to go to motion, and we need to do move 10 steps. Let's drag that out. And I'm not sure how much it needs to be because it depends on the size of the letter, how much space, like how much steps it has to be. So let's try with steps. And now, wait. Okay. Oh, so that was already there. So let's just clear. You see it wrote cab. If we do this, not X0, Y negative 100. X0, Y0 should be in the middle. So there. That's about the middle, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, that is x0y -100. Okay. Yeah, you should put a clear so that it clears everything. And yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.